Welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Friends, today we are going to make eggless chocolate cake. This is the oil-based cake. It is very soft and spongy. Please check the description box below for full written recipe. Let's get started. Take 1 cup of milk and squeeze lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or 1 teaspoon of vinegar in it. Mix lemon juice and milk and keep it aside for 5 minutes. So till we have kept milk and lemon juice, we will grease the tin. So what we will do is we will take little bit of oil I will take little bit of oil here, and now we will just grease it everywhere, all the sides. All the corners of the tin. If we do this, we don't need parchment paper to use. This is the natural parchment paper we can call. Now after greasing, what we will do is we will put little bit of flour. So I will take little bit of flour here and we will coat it all the sides and the base where we have applied the oil. So let us do it. You have to do it like this. Now take out the extra flour. Our tin is ready. We have not used any parchment paper. After cake gets ready, you can see how it works. Preheat the oven. So I will preheat on 360 and start. Till oven is preheating, we will make the mixture and put it in the mold. Now in a bowl, take flour. So we will take 1 and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. This is 1 cup. One-fourth cup all-purpose flour. This is 1/4 cup cocoa powder. Here we will take 1 and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure whenever you take the measurements, it must be flattened with the finger. And half teaspoon of baking soda. Now in a big bowl, take our milk mixture, that is our curdled milk, or you can call it as buttermilk. I will pour it here. Add sugar This is 3/4 cup of sugar. Oil, 1/2 cup oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it well so that sugar will get mixed in oil, and oil should be nicely mixed with milk. Oil, sugar and milk is mixed very nicely. Now we will add our dry mix, but we will put this in batches. Like, I will take the little bit at a time, mix it well, and then again little bit, as we don't want to whisk it a lot. If you mix it more than needed, then the cake may become dense. That's why we are doing this cut and fold method, like this. You can see the mixture is mixed a bit, so now we will put some more. If you are doing this in stand mixer or using hand mixer, then while doing this process, adding wet and dry ingredients, make sure that you don't over mix it. When you are making a chocolate cake, make sure it must be little liquidy. Not so much, but little liquidy, as cocoa powder will make the cake dry, and we don't want dry cake. Okay, so our oven is ready. I will just mix it last time with spatula. This is nice. Now pour all the mixture here. We are not using any parchment paper. Let us tap this 3-4 times so that you can see the bubbles are coming up. We don't want too much air gap in this. Now let us put this in the oven for 28 to 30 minutes. Set the temperature, cooking time for 30 minutes and start. After 29 minutes, I took out this cake and I will check either it is cooked or not. Check in the middle and the cake is cooked. So we will let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes and then we will demold it. So friends, the cake is cooled down. Let us demold it. I have not used the knife. Let us do that. But we can see here the cake has already left the sides. It means we don't need to use this. I will just open it, and here you can see it does not stuck at all. This works when I make it in any pan, not only spring foam but any. And let us put this on the wire rack. So I will flip it, put the wire rack on this, and then flip it. And here you can see the cake has came out clearly. Nothing is stuck, nothing happened. Here you can see little bit layer of the flour, but that's okay. So friends, we will cut it in the middle and see how the texture is. Let's do that. I will put one hand here and use the knife. Put your hand straight over here, and then I will just move it. First of all, just give a little cut to the cake. Normally I will let it cool down for one day, but today I want to show you how the texture is. That's why we are cutting it. Now when we have just lined it, now we will move the knife little deeper, and the line which we have given first border, so it will be our path to cut the cake. And because of this, our cake will be nice in two parts. Let me pick this up. So here is the knife, and here is my palette knife. I will just pick the cake and put it on my rack. There. It is very, very hot. Don't cut it when it is very hot. The cake is not at all crumbly. It is fully cooked. You can see the vapor, hot air is coming out now also. But the cake is very smooth. You can see the texture of the cake. It is awesome.